Hello and welcome to the next cocktail tutorial from NJAC Event Bars. I'm Josh, I'm one of the directors here and the head mixologist. Thank you for those for watching today, and also thank you to those who have come over from previous videos. All of those full videos are available on NJAC Event Bar's YouTube channel, and also we've got previews on Instagram TV and on Facebook. Today I'm going to be running through how to make the English Garden. You'd be hard pressed to find a description about this drink that doesn't describe it as quintessentially British. The English Garden is a very modern cocktail, so I've been looking around, searching online, trying to find a really interesting story and a bit of history about this drink. If you want to hear all about that, then head over to our YouTube channel. It's NJAC Event Bars, and you've got the full story on there, including a reaction later to the drink as well. The drink itself is apple juice with just a little touch of lime. We've got Elderflower liqueur and Hendrick gin. So really floral, and the name really does give you a clue of what the taste is going to be. It's very fresh. It's what you would imagine as an English garden. And as I said before, searching everywhere online, every single description describes this as quintessentially British. And I can't disagree. It's got every flavour in there that we'd associate with a British summer, maybe short of some berries. Very tasty drink, incredibly easy to make, and something that perhaps you'd simply be able to make at home. I think you'd have most of these ingredients as well. Perhaps you wouldn't have the elderflower liqueur. I'd really recommend getting it, but at the same time, if you've got an elderflower cordial, you can perhaps try playing around with that as well to get a similar flavour profile. So without anyone feeling a little bit shortchanged, as I say, I've searched all over the web for a bit of history on this drink. There's pretty much nothing there. And please, if you find something or if you know something, let me know. But I can't find much history on this, which leads me to believe that it would have been created by a brand. The brand I'm suspecting, might be wrong, but I'll be suspecting this one. You often see liqueur companies creating cocktails to push their products. So I'd imagine that's what's happened here. There's no real signs of this being a historic drink. I think we're probably looking in the last 10 years. But it has become incredibly popular. It's something that's featured on our menu for about 5 years now, and is often quite popular as a welcome drink, perhaps for a wedding or a private party as well. It's a nice, easy drinker. There's quite a lot of mixer, quite a lot of juice in there as well. So great flavours, really tasty drink, not much history behind them. Here we have the English Garden. As I say, even in presentation, absolutely synonymous with that name, English Garden. We've got the cucumber swirled around. If you want to do that yourselves at home or on the bar that you're working on, best advice is to use a potato peeler. So just cut the cucumber lengthways, get rid of the outside flesh first, and then just do a nice long strip, and it should hold round the glass. And if you just hold the top in place, fill the glass full of ice, and it will hold its shape nicely. You've seen me there with the mint as well, so I've just wrapped a little mint leaf around the base of a few sprigs of mint together to hold it together, and then we've got the nice green at the bottom, so it's just a lovely garden image all together. So let's have a taste of the drink. Oh, it's gorgeously summery. Just amazing. I mean, I can't describe it any better than saying it tastes like an English garden. You've actually got a lot of that flavour from the cucumber coming through, very, very refreshing. The smell of the mint is not to be underestimated as well. Of course, there's 5 senses at play when you're drinking anything, and you've got that smell as you're drinking it. It's lovely. You've got the earthy apple juice with the elderflower going very nicely together, and of course the floral gin of Hendrick just brings everything together. Quite strong in taste. I mean, we've got 2 measures of the Hendrick, and we've also got a whole measure of the Liqueur as well. It's quite a punchy drink, and it looks like it should be long and pretty easy to drink, but it's got a bit of bite to it, but incredibly refreshing, fantastic on a summer's day. So are there any variations for the English garden? Well, as I said, it's pretty new, it's a pretty young drink, so there's not any variations that I've noticed. That said, it's not a completely new concept to be combining gin with apple juice. So I think you have got a lot of creativity there, a lot of creative freedom where you can go and play with this. For me, initially, I'd be going down the berry road as well, perhaps seeing if we can get some raspberries into this. We've already got a little bit of a sourness coming from the apple, so maybe if we just reduce that down, bring some raspberry into it, that would be quite tasty. Maybe another option would be to try this with a slightly different gin. Again, we've done it before with flavoured gin, that could work nicely. Or even looking at slightly different liqueurs as well. I think the Elderflower from St. Germain is absolutely bang on, I think it's perfect. But if you wanted to try a different flavour, then changing the liqueur would be a great way to do it. And as always with these gin cocktails, it always opens itself up to rose water quite nicely as well. There's just a few ideas there to play with at home. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it some love. Also, if you hit that subscribe button and also the bell down below, that means that you'll get a notification every single time we release a new video, and you can be one of the first to see it. If you've got any questions about the English garden, or bartending in general, or perhaps you've got requests for future videos, then please comment down below and let me know. Until next time, stay safe.